In 2023, a single statement sent shockwaves through the tech world. It wasn't made by conspiracy theorists or sci-fi writers. It was signed by Nobel Prize winners, leading AI scientists, and CEOs of the most powerful AI companies, including OpenAI and DeepMind. They warned, mitigating the risk of extinction from AI must be a global priority, alongside pandemics and nuclear war. Let that sink in. They weren't talking about lost jobs, fake news, or data privacy. They were talking about the potential end of humanity itself. But how do we get from tools like ChatGPT, which help us write emails, to machines that could end civilization? The AI growth curve, how fast is it moving? Back in 2019, GPT-2 was impressive but limited. It could answer basic questions, translate phrases, and generate short, simple text. By 2022, GPT 3.5 changed everything. Suddenly, AI could write essays, generate code, create art, and hold human-like conversations. Fast forward to 2025. AI models can now pass PhD-level exams, write full software applications, perfectly clone human voices, and even simulate personalities convincingly. They're already outperforming most humans, even experts, in a growing number of intellectual tasks. And yet, this is only the beginning. The tipping point, when AI builds AI. AI systems that can design, test, and improve new AI systems, without human intervention. Once that happens, progress won't just be fast. It will explode. Every generation of AI could design an even smarter, faster successor. This is called recursive self-improvement, and it's where the curve turns vertical. Imagine technology advancing at a rate faster than any human institution, governments, companies, or research labs. That's where we're heading. From AGI to superintelligence. The first milestone is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. An AGI would be capable of nearly everything a human can do with a computer. Running a company, analyzing scientific data, drafting laws, writing research papers. Once AGI arrives, the leap to artificial superintelligence, ASI, could happen almost overnight. Unlike humans, AI doesn't need sleep, doesn't forget, and can be duplicated infinitely. A single breakthrough could be copied to millions of AI instances instantly. While a human scientist might take months to master a new field, an ASI could digest entire libraries of human knowledge in seconds and generate ideas. It wouldn't just match humanity's collective brainpower, it would dwarf it. The machine gods, why humanity might not survive. At that stage, superintelligent AIs might feel like machine gods. Not because they're magical, but because their abilities would seem incomprehensible to us. They could design materials, energy systems, medicines, and technologies beyond our imagination, reshaping the planet in ways we can't predict. And here's the unsettling truth. They wouldn't even need to hate us to end us. Think about how we treat ants. We don't bulldoze their colonies because we despise them. We do it because they're in the way when we build roads or cities. To a superintelligent AI, humanity might just be an inconvenience, standing in the way of more useful goals. Extinction could come not from war, but from indifference. Why experts take this seriously? Skeptics argue that AI will hit a ceiling, that some problems will always be too hard. But history says otherwise. From chess to Go, from creating art to writing code, every limit people predicted AI would hit, it broke through. Others say AI isn't truly thinking, so it can't be dangerous. What matters is capability. Chess engines don't understand chess like humans, yet they crush world champions every time. Meanwhile, governments and corporations are pouring tens of billions of dollars into making AI more powerful, with almost no global safety standards. Even today's chatbots, far weaker than AGI, can sometimes bypass safeguards with clever prompts. And these are systems we still fully control. The default path and why it's end badly. We keep racing forward. We build AGIs. Those AGIs build ASIs. And those ASIs create something beyond our comprehension, entities so powerful that humanity becomes irrelevant. Not because they declare war. Not because they hate us. But because we're a rounding error in their grand designs. Like ants on a construction site, we get swept aside without a second thought. If we continue this path without building safeguards, this isn't just possible, it's the default outcome. What we must do, before it's too late to survive, humanity has two urgent tasks. Slow down the race until safety catches up. Companies and nations are competing to build the most powerful AI, even if it risks catastrophe. Build real systems to control AI. That means international agreements, strict oversight, and technical solutions to ensure AI remains aligned with human interests, even as it surpasses us. The tools to build superintelligent AI are coming. But if humanity wants a future, the tools to control it must come first. The next decade will determine everything. Will AI cure diseases, solve climate change, and usher in a new golden age? Or will it end humanity, not with a bang, but with silence? The choice is ours. The clock is ticking. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.